Hello friends, we are discussing the revision method. Due to some problems we are lost the video, so we are starting from the example number 5 of the division method. So we completed the last video, if I am not wrong, then we completed up to the this step. Okay, observe here, when we observe this term, just 2x3 minus 2x3, it's a cancel out. Observe 2x cancel out, this is minus x, this is plus x, also cancel out. So these are the terms are cancel out. We are not cancel out the remaining terms, so we have to think about the remaining term. I'm just putting the point, whatever the terms is remaining. First term is the 2x square, second term is the minus x square, third term is the minus 1, here plus 2x square minus x square minus 1. So this is the 2x square, again there is a 2x square, it is nothing but the 4x square. So second term is the minus x square, minus x square, this is nothing but the minus 2x square, and last one is the minus 1, minus 1, it is nothing but the minus 2. So these terms are remaining. Observe here, 4x square minus 2x square, its answer should be the 2x square minus 2. So here we can write directly 2x square minus 2. Okay, now think, if there is a possibility of the common, yes, we can take the 2 as the common, take the 2 as a common. Okay, so this one is our answer. So we complete the example number 5. Now we think about the example number 6. You have to do at your homework. So let me explain this some basic fundamental regarding to this formula. Here in numerator અંશમાં x cube આપેલો છે, in denominator there is a log x plus 7. We can say that in denominator છેદમાં log x plus 7 આપેલો છે. I will give you the some tricks to solve the example. Just think about the differentiation of this x cube. This is nothing but the 3x square. This is the differentiation of the x cube, and then after we have to think about this differentiation of this log x plus 7. Log x plus 7, it means differentiation of log 7 is equal to 1 upon x plus 0, and 1 upon x plus 0 answer is equal to 1 upon x. Good. So by using this way and use the formula of the division, you can solve this example very easily at your homework. Now we move towards the example number 7. This one is the most IMP example of, okay, see, this is the example number 7, most important example. In our numerator, observe a plus b sin x, in denominator a sin x plus b. આમ નજીકની ટર્મ લાગે પણ છેતરાવા જેવી ટર્મ નથી. ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરો, in numerator a plus b sin x and denominator a sin x dx. Without wasting of time, just write down this way, dy by dx. Okay, use the formula. What is the formula? Says that numerator નું differentiation, denominator as it is, minus sign મૂકો. Denominator નું differentiation લ્યો, numerator as it is મૂકો. Put the denominator, and the denominator take the denominator square. આ ફોર્મ્યુલા વારંવાર બોલતું રહેવાનું એટલે ઓટોમેટિકલી આવડી જાય. અહીંયા ખાસ વસ્તુ શું ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે, તમારે આનું ડિફરન્શિએશન ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું છે. સી, you observe here, differentiation of a is equal to 0, b sin x, નું differentiation શું થશે, b cos x થશે. Same to same observe here, you have to take the differentiation of a sin x plus b. a sin x નું differentiation શું થશે, a cos x. b નું differentiation શું થશે, 0 થશે. બંને ટર્મનો ઉપયોગ કરીને observe here, 0 plus b cos x. 0 plus b cos x ની simplification શું થશે? It is nothing but the b cos x. Same to same, a cos x plus 0. What should be the differentiation? What should be the simplification? Is nothing but the a cos x. Okay, now use the simplification method. Use this simplification. What is the first? B cos x point નો ઉપયોગ કરું છું. Observe this. B cos x is multiplied with the a sin x. So this is nothing but the ab sin x. In second step, b cos x is multiplied with the b, that's why is equal to b square cos x. Good. Now same to same, observe here. A cos x into a cos x into a, it is the a square cos x minus sign જે અહીં આગળ છે a cos x into b sin x, ab sin x. Okay, then after do the simplification. Observe here, this term and this term, this is the plus term, this is minus term, automatically cancel out. Whatever the remaining term you have to write. So we are writing the remaining term b square cos x minus s square cos x. If there is a possibility of the common, yes, there is a cos x is the common, take the common b square minus a square and put the answer in this form. So friends, we completed the most MP example. We move towards the example number 8. Maybe this one is the last example of this method. Okay, what the example is says that y is equal to y is equal to 5 raised to x 10x. 5 raised to x is in numerator, 10x is in denominator. So without confusion, use the formula. What is the formula? Says that take the differentiation of the numerator, denominator as it is, put the minus sign. Take the differentiation of the denominator, put the numerator as it is, take the denominator square. Okay, take them easy. What is the differentiation of the 5 raised to x? ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડતી હોય તો એક્ઝામ્પલ આવડશે, બાકી ઝૂલે ઝૂલે સારી લાગશે. ઓકે, 5 raised to x into log 5x 10x as it is. What is the differentiation of the 10x? 10x is equal to sec square x. Video number 1, that is the most important video for this lecture. So many times I told you people, once you know the formula, or concept, then this chapter will be very easy for you people. Now we got this term. Observe this term. If there is a possibility of the cancel out, no, there is no chance of the cancel out, then go for the second option, take the common. If there is a common, yes, we can take the common. So take here, there is a 5 raised to x, take the common from the both the side. No other terms, we can take the common, because log x અહીંયા છે પણ log x અહીંયા નથી, 10x અહીંયા છે, અહીંયા sec x છે, તો common બીજું કંઈ કાઢી શકાતું નથી. જો 5 raised to x લઈએ તો જે ટર્મ વધી છે કોમન, અહીંયા બાકીની બે ટર્મ વધે છે, અહીંયા આપણે એ બે ટર્મ અહીંયા આપણે લખી નાખી, minus sign sec square x as it is. So this is the answer of this example number 8. So in this lecture we complete the remaining part of the differentiation. From the next lecture we move towards the another formula, another example. So stay home, be safe, and do the practice of this example, and God bless you. Thank you.